lift the tailgate up, and then you can take the trim off just on the top where it's located from where that glass hinge is. So I'm going to pull that down. So once you've pulled that trim down just to expose that mounting bolt, it's 11 millimeter socket, deep, and you're going to take that nut off. Just like that. So the glass part is a T27 Torx bit. So we're going to put that right on there. Let's see if we can get the rest of it by hand. Pull that right out. So then now you're going to lower the hatch. Watch out for that trim. Just enough so that you can get to it. There we go. And we'll pull this right out like that. Doing one side at a time. So the kit comes with two of them, and they kind of have a slant to it. See how it kind of cuts off this way? You're going to line that up on the driver's side, and the inner cut's going to go on the passenger side. And each hinge has an actual indication of where it goes. R for right, which would be passenger rear, and the L for left, which is driver's side. So we're going to disconnect the new bottom mounting bolt. I'm going to line the pin up in there, just like this. Make sure it's in place. Now we're just going to lift the gate back up. Before you remount the new hinge, we're going to take the rubber off the old one. You might need a flat screwdriver, but you're going to transfer this plastic basically over to this one. Now it's ready to install. I'm going to start this one by hand. Well, start it first. I'm not going to tighten it, I just want to hold it in place. Now I'm going to just take my other hand and guide it right in spot. The new bolt, the new Torx bolt, is a T25. I'm not going to use any power tools to tighten this up because of the glass. Obviously, that's very sensitive. Just do the same to the other side. So you're going to line up the plastic push pins with these dashes from underneath the trim all the way around. Once it lines up, push in place.